Welcome to the next generation of CRM to simplify your sales lifecycle. Powered by a Salesforce Revenue Cloud, a unified platform designed to connect sales, finance, and operations, turning complexity into clarity across the entire revenue lifecycle. Built on the core Salesforce platform, Revenue Cloud uses architecture and a unified data model to bring every revenue process together from product setup to billing and recognition. Imagine a sales representative working on a complex deal for a new enterprise customer, one that includes catalog, subscriptions, add-ons, and usage-based services. Using Revenue Cloud, sales representative quickly explores the product catalog and selects the right combination of offerings tailored to the customer's needs. As he builds the offerings specific to the customers, intelligent rules run in the background, ensuring every combination is compatible and error-free. For pricing, real-time calculations adjust instantly. The sales representative simply asks for a specific discount using natural language, and AI applies to the correct pricing tier with no manual lookups required. Unified revenue journey. Once the quote is ready, automated approvals route it to the right stakeholders. At the same time, a compliant contract is generated automatically ready for immediate customer signature. With the deal closed, the process seamlessly transitions to the order manager. The dynamic revenue orchestrator intelligently breaks the order into fulfillment tasks, assigning them across teams with complete visibility. With Revenue Cloud billing, invoices are generated automatically whether for one-time charges, subscription-based billing, or usage-driven models. Revenue is recognized accurately and logged directly into financial systems. By eliminating data silos and manual handoffs, Revenue Cloud dramatically reduces turnaround time. Sales close faster, finance gains real-time visibility, and operations stay perfectly aligned. Supercharge your quote to cash journey with Salesforce Revenue Cloud.